on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making chicken Alfredo sloppy joes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 14.5 ounce jar of Alfredo sauce, parsley flakes, 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, hamburger buns, 1/4 of a cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and I have some butter that we're going to be spreading on our hamburger buns. To a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our tablespoon of butter. You want to let that melt. Butter has melted. We're going to add in our onion. You want to saute that for 2 to 3 minutes. I want your heat on medium. Now we're going to add in our ground chicken. And now I'm going to go in and break down our ground chicken. And you want to make sure that it's mixed well with your onion. Now you want to cook your ground chicken until it's no longer pink. Once your ground chicken is cooked all the way through, we're going to add in our minced garlic. Go ahead and let that cook for about 1 minute. Let all the flavors get through your ground chicken. Now we're going to add in our jar of Alfredo sauce. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. Next, we're going to add in our ground black pepper. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to turn down the heat some and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my mozzarella cheese and also my parmesan cheese. Just going to mix it until it melts all the way through. Now I'm going to add in some of my parsley flakes just for a little pop of color. You guys, now you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you want to add any salt, you can. I'm leaving mine the way it is. Mine is fine. I don't need to add anything else. Now you can turn off your heat. Okay, now I have my butter and my hamburger buns. I'm just going to butter the inside and I'm going to put a little bit on the top and bottom of them. Okay guys, I have buttered my hamburger buns, as you can see, the top and bottom. Now you can either put them in a 450-degree oven so they can get nice and toasty, or you can do it on top of the stove. So on a preheated griddle, I'm going to add my hamburger buns. You want to keep an eye on them. You want them to get nice and toasted, but you don't want to burn them. Okay guys, once your hamburger buns are nice and toasty, it's time to assemble them. I get some of our chicken Alfredo. Just going to add it to the bottom of our bun. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken Alfredo sloppy joes. These taste amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?